chains and then I hit the rest. And it's okay to do your thing, but just don't do the most. I put my friends in that old Benz and took that to the coast. It ain't no thing to do my thing, it's what I do the best. I fill my mattress, pay my taxes, then I blew the rest. And it's okay to do your thing, but just don't do the least. I quit my boss and cooked that sauce and fed that to the streets. Slide in the bed like a wet flow, already fried from the get-go. Alligators look like gecko, everything I do they echo. Big facts, my bank on big man, my drip too wet, that spit can. Yo bitch swap me like Q-tips, hold that shit there like dip can. No rehearse, need no reverb, hold your lip, don't say 3 words. Quick trip to get that lick, broad tree fur if you prefer. Quick ride, no time, I'm in there. She clockwise, real good skincare. No TikTok for that caca, they know that love don't live there. I can't roll dice on your plan, Red Rover, I don't hold hands. Get fortune from my foresight, investment brought me 4 bands. Don't roll rage, I get roll head. We'll wheel all by your forehead. Them city John be like he lit, them country girls be like go ahead. If I ain't that man, then I gotta be more than human. How you mean? Funny how the people back then who was hating on the kid always talking about how you clean. Put a little gas in the blunt and I don't pass broke ass nigga, just please be cool. But I can't blame ya, I won't shame ya. Shit, I probably wanna be me too. It ain't no thing to do my thing, it's what I did the best. I copped that crib and bought 2 chains and then I hid the rest. And it's okay to do your thing, but just don't do the most. I put my friends in that old Benz and took that to the coast. It ain't no thing to do my thing, it's what I do the best. I fill my mattress, pay my taxes, then I blew the rest. And it's okay to do your thing, but just don't do the least. I quit my boss and cooked that sauce and fed that to the streets. It's no thing, no sweat, I ain't really worried about it too much. Slight work, light work, not work, I ain't really do much. Get it in, ship it out, pivot route, back corner, end zone. Hit her with a best friend, I don't really know about a friend zone. Real time, real talk, fake niggas can't really match that. Put it in the insurance, Uncle Sam can't really tax that. Get the game, learn the game, play the game, sell the game, all that. Never let them tell you what you can't do, gotta change all that. Feeling myself, they be feeling me too. Baby, don't fight the feeling. I've been so high that I'm tryna scale the roof. I'm tryna bite the ceiling. They be on bullshit like a zoo fly. I be too fly to participate. I need everything for the everything. If I fuck with you, get a different rate. Got me fucked up, got me typoed. If you're thinking this shit glucose, winning in it ain't too close. I be flying out to a new coast, and I'm acting like it ain't a big deal. Really, cause it ain't a big deal. 4 freaks, I'm a 5th wheel. I was born winning, I'm the shit still. It ain't no thing to do my thing, it's what I did the best. I copped that crib and bought 2 chains and then I hid the rest. And it's okay to do your thing, but just don't do the most. I put my friends in that old Benz and took that to the coast. It ain't no thing to do my thing, it's what I do the best. I fill my mattress, pay my taxes, then I blew the rest. And it's okay to do your thing, but just don't do the least. I quit my boss and cooked that sauce and fed that to the streets.
I ran up a check, I might do it again. Enemies close, have me thinking they're friends. 10 toes down, I'll be free until the end. Crib outside the city, I don't feel safe in my hands. Took so many years, I'm just waiting for the wins. I'm in debt to no one but the one who took.
What is going on, everybody? Good afternoon, good morning, and good evening. How we feeling? Seeing where everybody's tapped in from. Hello from Mexico. What's going on? What is going on? I keep forgetting. We got everyone here tapped in all around the world. Love it. I love to see it. So, yesterday I didn't decide to go live. Just wanted to get a little chill, session for myself and whatnot. So that's pretty much why I wasn't active yesterday. But today we are active and looking at some stuff. So right now there's a GJ trade that I just called out earlier. Pretty much not too long ago. Honestly, GJ's in so much consolidation. I wasn't anticipating this, but obviously we don't run the market, we don't control the market, so we got to go off what really was going on in the market and just stay calm and be patient. Other than that, other than that, I was looking at a gold trade. And actually, I'm looking on gold to actually head down. Wow. I can see that this could trap a lot of buyers. I'm actually anticipating gold to head down. and hopefully I can kind of see when and where exactly, and you know, I'll be in for sure for a possible sell. Also on Monday, guys, I know Monday I think I called out that oil trade, and it took a long time, but it actually ended up hitting I think it was TP1 and I think possibly TP2. I don't know if after TP1 if it went to break even. I think it went to break even, then it hit TP2. And what I was basically saying in my Discord is that this is what happens when you're patient and you just trust your plan, trust your process. And I know, once again, 90% of traders aren't patient. You know, kind of what we got going on with this yen pair right here, right? How we're going up, going down, but this could be another setup where it could take a minute to hit TP. But you know, if you just hold the trade, stay in the trade, and just learn patience, you gonna win. You know, and I say this all the time: you gotta master the game of trading, and master the game of trading ain't no it's not no strategy. It's really not. It's all about consistency, learning how to handle your mental, and sticking through your plan. And never change your bias when you're in a trade, because obviously you second guessing everything, and you don't want that. All right. So that being said, like I said earlier, with gold, I see a possible sell with gold. While everybody else thinks it could be a buy, and it could be a buy. Obviously, I'm not right all the time, but when I know myself, I know my stuff. And when I feel it, I'm feeling it. It's done with. The only way I would sell it is simple, guys. If you don't know this by now, you should know. I just wait on the structure to break, and then wait on some rejections, basically price action movement, and I just get in a trade, and that's it. I don't need to look at all these other different things to tell me that, oh, it's a sell here. No, I'm looking at the fundamentals of technical. So that being said, I am going to put my alert here, and I am going to leave gold alone until I see my alert is active. Give me 1 second. Let me. So I got a question while we wait, while I'm actually doing something here. I want to ask you guys. Well, before I ask you guys, I got to actually pull it up on my end. I want to ask you guys a nice little question. Who is profitable this week? Are any of you guys profitable so far this week? I'm just curious to know if anyone here is profitable for this week. Let's see, me. I just started the challenge. Funded account. I make 3% this week. You made 3% so far this week. Me. What is going on, Tube? No, yes. Finishing phase 1. Nice. Yeah, guys, I'm currently on phase 2 right now on my account. Funded account. This week is okay. The reason why it's okay is because I haven't really been trading oil this week, and oil hasn't really been showing me anything interesting, even though it took off this morning though. So it's crazy though. But I see somebody said 8% on US 30. This is your first losing week of 2023. Okay. Break even, not bad. No, broke my rules today, being greedy. I feel you on that one, man. I've been greedy for the past 2 days. Not even gonna lie to y'all.
stacking it was happening. Everything in Gucci got me feeling like I'm dapper then. Life has been a movie, yeah, so shout out to the cameraman. Pull up to the scene, it's going down.
I'm looking on yen to drop. I'm looking on dollar to go up. I learned a lot from your video, Solo. Here pushing. I love that. I'm glad you learned a lot. I'm glad you're still learning. Wow. Damn, that's a hard one right there. What you just said about gold moving like that. Yo, you just said gold's moving like a stepfather sketchy. Goodness gracious. My man, whoa. Jeez. Sorry for the promo. There's nothing wrong with the promo, man. That's good. I like hearing that. Oh, NASDAQ? I don't even care to touch NASDAQ today. It's yen for me. Looking at dollar, I mean gold right now. I am also looking at dollar too, trying to see what it wants to do, waiting on it to actually head up. I do see gold heading down while I see dollar heading up, guys. Yeah. The news yesterday was crazy fast. News is definitely crazy. All right, let me put notes in here. I'm gonna explain why I made this trade with yen. I don't know. I still believe we're gonna consolidate. I ain't even gonna lie to you guys. I still believe we're gonna consolidate for yen. But the reason, okay, so here's the reason why I brought GJ. So with GJ, really it was yen that gave me the clear speculation, right? I seen that we were in this liquidity phase, right? And you guys know, if you don't know what my liquidity phase strategy is, this is why I say you need to tap in my streams, tap in all of my stuff I got going on, and you will learn a lot. But we got a liquidity phase, so I know a lot of you guys would have seen this as a liquidity sweep, and you probably would be buying it now and hope to God that it goes up. But I'm more like, I can see it coming down, going up, and then coming right back down, right? And that's exactly what I see. So if I'm seeing yen dropping, I see GJ heading up. However, I wasn't expecting this consolidation, but I'm ready for it. I wasn't expecting it, but I'm ready for it. And that's why I pretty much got into yen, right? Euro yen's also doing the same thing. It's just in consolidation. And if we're literally consolidating right now, then we're just going to be consolidating moving forward. So yeah, Tube, you had asked me how long my 2,700. We started on the 2nd, and so far we're up. I actually lost some money. I gotta show you guys my journal. I think my account was at 12K. Now it's at 9K. I was at 11K, something like that. So I think we lost like. Let me pull up my journal real fast. All right, guys, here's my journal. For those that have not seen my journal yet, here's the stats of my account that we're doing. So we started on the 2nd. Yes, Wednesday. Yeah, Wednesday I was going a little crazy. Once again, took so many trades on Wednesday. Monday I took a lot of trades, but we were really profitable on Monday. Guys, I've been going against my rules this week. Crazy, man. I think it happened on Friday, but yeah, this was the biggest loss I had so far this week, but we're still profitable for this week. It's all what matters. It's all about the end result, guys. That's the most important thing about trading, man. I know you guys are so worried about what you need now, and that's why I say don't try to revenge trade. I don't revenge trade. What I usually do is, if I lose out, I take more trades, but I still stick to my plan, right? As far as like my strategy, my risk percent, my compounder strategy, and so forth. One thing about my rule though that I do have on here is, I don't have on here actually, how many trades I'm looking for in a day. I don't have that rule, right? I mean, I could have that rule and I should have that rule, but my rules is more stuck on my L's than my wins, right? And I should have a cap on where I should stop at a win, which I have, but it's not like a rule for me, like, oh, I'm only taking 2 trades per day regardless. No, 2 L's straight, I'm done, right? So if I take 1 trade, make a win, another trade, lose, take another one, win, another trade, lose, another one, win, I'm still trading. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, but I do have set times that I look for setups, and if I don't see a setup at the time, I just don't trade it, right? So that's kind of where we at with this account. Like I said, we were up, we dropped, we were actually I think on the 22nd we were I lost like 2100, but I was able to recoup some money back, and that's kind of where we at right now. $1,500 L on yesterday. Today we're going to see what happens. You know, I'm in a yen trade, still in yen. Looking at gold, we can hopefully see if gold can maybe go down, but I don't see it going down anytime soon, but we'll see. Other than that, yeah, so far overall this account is at a 76% win rate. With all my strategies here, you guys see, go here, these are all my different strategies I got. Each strategy I can see what my win rate was, so I know exactly what strategy made me the most money. And there's the 3-man standard strategy, which I got overall 86%. My fib strategy says 100% right now, but I'm haven't really been trading that, so I'm not gonna really do anything on that. Just random trading is probably what 90% of us do, right, in the market. Just random trading is, you see something look nice, but you have no structure behind why you got in this trade, but you just seen it because it just created a beautiful candle or a beautiful double bottom, or just something, but it wasn't really like a structured system. And as you see, I got 23% on that. And then my liquidity phase strategy, I would assume that would have been my higher strategy to make more money, but apparently it's not. So this is cool to see, and for me to know, like, damn, you know, what strategy is really making me the most money. And also I can get into my details and I can kind of really see what pair makes me the most money, what pair I lost, what's my best trading days, and all of that fun stuff. So where can I find this trading calendar? This is actually mine. I only get this to my bootcamp students right now. Yeah, I only get this to my bootcamp students right now. So, you know, that's really what it is. I am working on an app as we speak, what looks just like this, but way better. It's going to actually have an algorithm in the back end and really keep y'all in place. It's going to be the best trading journal ever. I promise you that. I promise you that. But I am currently working on a journal as we speak now for everybody. It's going to be an app for everybody to use, and it's going to be really cool. But for now, at this time being, this is only for my bootcamp students. And that's pretty much it. All right. Other than that, back to the chart. So we're going to be playing with emotions with this yen trade. We about to be playing with so much emotions. Tell you that right now. Where is... So I don't know if you guys seen what's been happening with oil, but we just been doing nothing but going up, going up, going up, and going up. I haven't been trading it because this has just been a little too choppy for me. But I do see oil still going up, honestly, for the rest of this week. I don't see anything happening with oil. I just see it going up for the rest of this week, literally. And you know what's crazy? Every session it's just been going up, right? New York session, what time was this? New York session, we got a little consolidation, and then it dropped, but then all of this was just nothing. And then we came back. London session, we got back, got a little active. Now we're getting another pullback. I feel like New York session, we're going to get that pullback, that correction. And then we shall see, man. This one is kind of weird right now, what's going on. But actually, I think we could get a nice little sell with oil. I think this would be cool.
I solve them. I run through the money, the pressure be calling. Left on my blessings, I feel like I'm falling. The birdie is back. Tell me I'm garbage, I'm going through something, that's why I ain't calling. Phone and progression, it's all that I wanted. A phone in affection, I summon and dub it.
All right, I remember last time we took a nice little scout with oil. I think this was Monday, and it just still kept dropping. I was like, dang, low key, that would have been a nice trade if I was to hold that one a little longer. For real. So let's see what oil brings. Like I said, we got a whole nother session coming, just New York only session, and I still trade oil around that time too, because it still moves, obviously, right? Let's see what dollar's doing. Let's see what gold's doing, or yen's doing. So yen wants to still give us this pull. I feel like we might even come to this little settlement right here. I mean, we already hit it, honestly. So possibly we should start seeing yen drop. Which is, once again, we're just choppy. And yeah, we shall see. We need more I need more reaction to see gold drop. Oh, let me keep that. I forgot I got an alert there. But we moving though. We moving with dollars, so that's pretty dope. He said markets run at this point. Guys, let's get these likes up, man. If you guys are new to my channel, make sure you guys like this video. I removed the wrong thing. Hold on, y'all. Let me figure something out right here. Yes, sir. I like this. We moving. All types of good. We moving in all good direction. What GJ doing? Ain't nothing going on with GJ. I ain't even gonna lie. We all hate consolidation. We all can admit that. Obviously, we are humans. We all hate consolidation. Can we all agree that we all hate consolidation? This is why I can't never look at a trade. Yo, Neil, what is going on, brother? By the way, guys, if you do not know by now, I am using Ospreyfx as my current broker to trade, right? So I do highly suggest you guys tap into Ospreyfx if you especially trading with me on my live streams or even in my VIP, because if I'm like getting a trade, especially like an oil or gold trade, mainly oil, I notice, I'll be like, all right, guys, I'm a TP, you know, I'm in profit. A lot of you guys will be like, oh, I'm not in profit, or I'm barely in profit. That's because obviously your spreads is completely different from mine. So I highly suggest everyone use Ospreyfx. They real good with, I mean, honestly, I have Ospreyfx way longer than I had any other broker. And that being said, I personally feel like when you guys deal with the broker that's been, you know, there from day one, that's probably like your favorite, one of your top brokers, because I never had problems with withdrawals, haven't had problems with anything. So that's, you know, that's why I personally love Ospreyfx, and that's why I am with them now, trading this challenge. It's $2,700 account challenge. You guys see my journal. Once again, I'll share it one more time. This is my journal. I'll go to my calendar so you guys really see. We started the 2nd of March. This is my second challenge. I did another challenge previously, but I'm doing another one for myself, for my sake, and for me to know that this strategy system that I have works. It's for you guys to see, you know. So far we're doing good. The biggest L we had was just one yesterday. That was like $1,500 we lost, right? But so far we're still profitable for the week, for the month. Overall, everything is good. Consistency always wins. It's not for sale right now. It's only available for my elite bootcamp students. You know, so if you sign up, this is what you get, because this is part of homework anyway. Like, you'll get this big homework at the end of our sessions. It's like you have to copy all your trades so we can see, you know, your end result, your beginning result, and kind of understand who you are as a trader, what strategy works out best for you, how to trade, and so forth, you know. So yeah. We are moving, but we're moving slow. I really truly believe we gotta also break out of this dollar high in order for us to really sit and settle with gold. For me to really be like, yeah, guys, gold is about to really take this dive. Otherwise, it's just gonna bloop, take off to the upside. You said would I suggest you to grow a $50 account or invest into a 5K? That's up to you, man. Victor, that's up to you, because it just depends on what your needs and purposes are. I'm doing both, you know. I'm doing both right now. It's all your channel. Keep it up, bro. I have a question. Why are you hiding prices on the right hand side of your chart? What prices? MC Troy, what prices you talking about? Are you talking about my trading view or my journal? Dang, life LS all good. It's really clean looking at the journal. Yeah. I love it. It puts me on track, keeps me on track, lets me know what strategy is good and how it's operating, how I'm operating throughout. Trading view, it's all right here, brother. What do you mean? I'm honestly not sure what price you're talking about. If you're talking about this, it's all right here. Oh yeah, let's keep dropping, baby. There's no NAS bias I got. Do you consider 2023 so far? I like 2023. I can't really say too much yet because I still got time. We still got time to go. Nah, brother, it's not blank. You just gotta look at it. I'm literally looking at my live stream on YouTube right now. Guys, let's get these likes up, man. Let's get these likes up. Let's go ahead and hit 100 likes, everybody. Let's do me one huge favor. Everybody that is tapped in on my live stream, let's go ahead and hit 100 likes. Let's go ahead and hit 100 likes. So I got a question for you guys. Already done. I appreciate that. I got a question for you guys. How long? I just want to know, how long have you guys been trading? How long have you guys been trading? I say we got 4 months, 4 years, 3 years. Crypto for 1 year, Forex since November. Okay. Now for everyone that I see, the highest I see so far is 4 years. Now for everyone that's been trading, COVID traders, 7 years. Okay, that's the longest right there. I see now. I got a question for all of you that had answered that. Is anyone here actually profitable? And be honest. Be honest. Are any of you guys here profitable? Break even. And what I mean by profitable, this is not what I mean profitable. Let's say you invested 1,000 into your account and you lost it, and then you did it again, right? You invest another 1,000 to your account, and then you got it up to 1,500 or 2,000. So you took it out, and then you invested it again, then you lost everything. I mean, like, all the money you put in together, are you profitable? So let me enlighten you guys with something. So a lot of people would tell you that, oh, you should get into this industry because you can see your return quick. Or, oh, you should get into this industry because you can see your return quick. I'm gonna be honest with y'all. This is all statistics. This is just statistics. Usually when you get into like let's say you open up a business, right? Whatever your business is, like, I'm gonna just throw it in because it's in my head, like a salon suite, right? And you want to open up a business, you should at least start seeing your money. You want to at least start seeing your money within 6 months to a year. That's at least what you want to do. But when you're dealing with trading, you really won't see your money until like 4, 5, 6 years, because like I said, statistically, it takes you literally 3, 4, 5 years for you to truly understand what trading is really about, which is all mental and consistency. To build your consistency up, to build your strategies up, to build your mental to really go forth with it. So when people get into Forex or get into trading, their first instinct is, oh, you said I can turn 1,000 to $3,000 in a day, or oh, you said I could turn 100K into $1 million in a week, or whatever. Obviously, you're gonna want to tap into it, but the real facts is you ain't gonna see that money at all, not that quick. You're not, because you got a lot to learn in trading, and that's one thing a lot of people don't teach, you know. So I mean, I look at Forex trading, crypto trading. I look at all of that as just your regular investing and into something to be profitable, hopefully, right? So yeah, I just want you to understand, like, it does take time. I feel like personally, trading, at least day trading, will take a lot more time to see your return in investment rather than anything else, right? There's other things too that I can put in there, but I feel like, and they do say this, right? Trading is long-term investing, like long-term. And that's the same with day trading, because it's a mental thing. Like if you maybe invest into stocks or bonds or ETFs or whatever it is, You know, you're not going to really see anything yet until like maybe 6 years from now, 20 years from now. And I say it's the exact same thing with trading Forex, crypto. If you're like day trading Forex or crypto or even stocks or futures or anything like that, you're not going to really see it. You know what I'm saying? Until 4 or 5 years or whatever, until you understand that trading is mental. You know what I'm saying? So I just want y'all to understand that, like, for everybody that's been in this game for a year, I see a lot of y'all say y'all been in here for a year. 7 years, I see that's the most. 2 years, 4 months. Y'all got some time to go, man. And then especially if y'all not profitable, yeah, y'all got time. It's not gonna take you 1 month to get this and then you got it, because it's a mental thing, and that's something you have to build as you experience through trading. And if you've been trading even longer than 4 or 5 years and you still maybe not being profitable, that's just because you still haven't developed your mental yet. That's because you've been focused on the wrong aspect of trading. You just literally been in the you just been looking at it differently. So if any of you guys been trading for a long period of time and you still not profitable, just know that you just gotta change the way you think about it. It's not about the strategies, the YouTube videos you see, the Google, reading all these different books on how to learn a market. The only book you should be reading is Trading in the Zone. Anything that can really boost your your mental, so you can really lock in, because that's the key to trading, locking in and staying in. I wish we all can just have an emotional switch button and just turn that joint off and just, but unfortunately we don't. So the best advice I can give any and everybody is, let me ask this question, one more question. Is there anybody here that can look at a trade while they're in the trade? Yes or no? Is there anybody here that can look at a trade while they're in the trade? We should get a lot of yeses. Because if I see a bunch of no's, y'all, a lot of people's capping. All right. So this just proved my point 110%. This just proved my point. I've seen a lot of you guys say, you weren't profitable, right? And then I now see a lot of you guys say, yes, I can look at a trade. But I promise you, majority of you guys probably don't even notice. Y'all probably don't even notice. But this is what's going to happen. Right now, this is why I can't look at a trade. I'm going to tell you why. Right? We see it's going up, right? This is what I mean by patience is everything, sticking to your plan. For those that say that is watching a trade and looking at a trade, I promise you that 1% that you don't know, you're doing this. When a trade is in your favor, you're nothing but happy, right? We're like bipolar traders, right? As a trader, you probably super bipolar in the market because the market is going up and down, up and down. But as a trader, when you're looking at the market, you're probably good. Like, oh yeah, we're profitable. Boom, boom, boom. Majority of you guys will either get out of a trade early because you just see it going up because it came from consolidation. So if we're in consolidation right now and you see this little move right here, you be like, I'm gonna get out. Well, let's run an example of you effing up. Another thing is, for whatever reason, you start seeing the markets dropping, giving you these big engulfing candles to the downside, and you're like, you know what? Let me go back in the market. Let me look back. I mean, I can see it going down. You know what? All right, I'm going to get out this trade, and then you try to sell it. I'm pretty sure you guys do that too. Prime example of you effing up, not sticking to your plan. Here's another example. You guys are in a trade. You see that it's going in your favor, right? And then the moment it was 220 pips, not like 2 pips up from your TP. You see it drop. And you're like, after I'm gonna just get out. I was in my favor, blah, blah, boom, and then it went all the way back up. So what I'm getting at the end of the day, for those that actually watch trades and watch the trade, I'm pretty sure a majority of you guys are doing one of those. And it's probably something else that I haven't even thought about. And that right there is a prime example of why you're not going anywhere with your account. Because you're constantly getting in too soon, or you're exiting out of a trade too early, or you getting skeptical about your positioning, or you second guessing yourself, or you're getting nervous and anxiety is high and you're like, I can't handle this no more, I'm gonna just get out this trade, when you already set your stop loss, already figured out your risk, already had everything set. Now if you obviously get in the trade with none of this, not knowing what your risk is, not knowing what your take, obviously you in a whole different area of trying to figure this game out. You still got a lot to learn. Like, you got to create this. This is for my people that already have this in play or somewhat in play. So for everybody that's here saying, yes, I can watch a trade, I promise you probably 90% of y'all really can't. And y'all can, like anybody else, but I'm sure 90% of y'all need to stop watching the trade is what I'm saying. That's why I don't watch my trades like that no more. That's exactly why. I realized back in the day, I used to watch all my trades, and I realized, like, this looks like it's going to go the other way. Like, you would change your mental bias. Guys, mental bias and technical bias are two different things. What I mean by a mental bias is you're literally stuck on your way, like you're just super stubborn on your way, like it has to go this way. That's your mental bias. But your technical bias is all telling you it's going up. This is just like when the market is doing nothing but going down, right? This is when the market is doing nothing but doing this. But for whatever reason, your mental bias, you're telling yourself, oh, I'm gonna buy it. And then you buy it, and then, yeah, no, you lost money. That's your mental bias. Your technical bias is what you actually see. Your mental bias is what you think. Listen to what I'm saying. Mental bias is what you think. Technical bias is what you see. Your two eyes is what you're actually seeing. Mental is what you're thinking. Don't never trade off what you think. Trade off what you see. So you got to learn how to shift your mental bias with your technical bias so you can start seeing the money in your account. This is the hardest part for every trader, because we feel like the moment we see market drop, we're instantly like, well, I think it's going to go up because I think. Listen to what I'm saying. I think, right? Basically, you're creating some hallucination that's not real facts. So you got to be like, you know what? We're going down. I'm about to sell it. So let me just look for a selling setup instead of a buying setup. No problem. You said you needed to hear that today. Yeah, I feel like a lot of you guys really need to hear that, because I've seen a lot of yeses. Y'all look at trades, but then theoretically, I'm sure right now how GJ is playing with emotions right now. We're going up, but y'all like, you know what? Whatever. Just like how oil did it Monday, man. I really wish for those that wasn't tapped in on Monday. Oil literally, where was it at? I think we were somewhere here in this consolidation at this time, and it was the same thing. Everybody was like, yeah, I can look at a trade. But then I literally seen two people in my chat, literally they said it out loud. They posted like, I'm gonna get out this trade. Why? If you already had your risk set, everything set, it shouldn't even really matter. If it hits stop loss, it hits stop loss. You should already know what your risk is. And then now 3 o'clock came, I'm over here posting it in my Discord, guys. We just smashed TP1. We just smashed it. But then yet again, a lot of y'all couldn't hold it because y'all sit here and say, yeah, I can look at a trade. No, you can't. Don't do it. If you can, you can, but obviously it's not working for you is what I'm saying. Yeah, oh, this is it. This is it. Oh, yeah, see, it never actually hit break even. Break even was right here. It went all the way up to TP2. It took time, honestly. I just took TP1 out, but this is the trade I was talking about. It was doing all of this around the time we're in now, and literally everybody was like, oh, I'm out right here. Everybody would have got out right here. Everybody would have got out right here. And I remember a couple of you guys got out because it was doing that. And I'm like, just stay in the trade. And then if you would have just been patient, stuck with the plan, and stop observing your trade, meaning like you're staring at it, you guys really win. But in order for you to do that, and another reason why a lot of you guys probably watch your trade is because you're already over risking your account. For one, gold finally just took the lows out. That's good. Hold on, let me stop myself. All right, gold took the lows out. This is what we need. Hopefully we can catch a pullback. Wow, this goes to show if we just dropping, gold is dropping. Oh yeah, we definitely dropping with gold. Wait until dollar go up. It's over with for gold. It's over with for gold. But I'm still waiting on it. Now I gotta wait on a position, right? Meaning a position to enter. I swear, just don't do a NASDAQ play where it just goes straight down. But I need to see a position on gold before I get in. But yeah, back to what I was saying, just guys, like I just said, man, just to conclude it all, you gotta, in order for you to, if you're really watching your trades, that's because you're probably over risking your account. You really don't know where to put your stop loss. You don't understand how to find a stop loss. You don't know where your TP's really at. You're just going with the flow, which is cool to go with the flow once you have the system in play. But that's another reason probably why 90% of you guys that's watching your trades is watching your trades, because you don't really know exactly where you want to TP at, or you probably over risking your account or something silly. So man, I just hope you guys really understand where I'm coming from with this, man. It's a lot to trading, and I swear I'm really trying to motivate you guys to understand. Stop watching these YouTube videos of all these different strategies, because it's not that. So that being said, not this video, but my next video is going to be a psychology video. And if I see that video ain't getting no love, I am going to get right back on my live stream and make sure you guys understand that trading is not your effing strategy. It is your mental. Please stop trying to master that and master psychology. Learn that out of everything. So if you guys sit for here that's been trading for a year and under, please don't be sticking on one of these YouTube videos on different strategies, because I'm sure you guys, for those that's been trading more than 2 years and 5 years and 10 years and 7 years, and you're still doing the exact same thing, obviously that is not working. Why would it take you 10 years for you to realize this? And if it does, I'm here to tell you that stop it. Stop it. Stop it. Obviously, you see it's not working. Don't sit here and say, well, if I keep trying, there's a sense of smartness you got to add to that. And common sense. Common sense is, you did this so many times, it's just not working. It's just like, let's just say this. You in a relationship, right, with your significant other, and y'all try every avenue to work it out, and y'all can't. Y'all just not meant. Y'all just in two different frequencies. Y'all just not meant for each other. So it's the same thing with trading. If you know your strategy ain't working, or you constantly watching a video just trying to find a new strategy, that's not working, or it was working, then it's not. You do it again, do it again, do it again, do it again. It ain't the strategy. It's this. It's how you go about the trades. What Michael Jordan said, stop it. Get some help. Just understand the game and understand his mental. That's all I gotta say. That's all I'm gonna say. That being said, though, what's going on? You tapped in a little late. You good? I hate this mouse. I need to get a new mouse. Apparently, I remember this pattern. This nice little pattern here. I bet euro yen moving. No? Okay. All right. Never mind. All right. Dollar. I bet we got consolidate. Yeah, we got a little. Damn, what is it? Divergence. Dollar's doing beautiful justice wonders. We took the low out. Just kind of seeing if we can get a little position somewhere. Oh, this would be nice. Somewhere around here. Take that joint all the way down. That would be nice. My Phillips settings have been the same for a while. Never changed it. Guys, if any of you guys are new to my channel, I want all you guys to do me a huge favor and subscribe if you haven't subscribed already.
Yeah, these niggas all square like Irvin. Yeah, we
So, like I told you guys before, you got to really understand these type of reactions here. This is what I like to identify as whack off, where it will get the sellers out, right? Because you guys see as a selling setup, right? It looks beautiful, right? And everyone's probably taking sell positions all within here. But then you also have the buyers too. When you start seeing something like this, you're like, oh, I'm gonna buy. But then I'm like, hold on, guys, that's not really what's going on. Look for these sales, because it's like money, right? This is all money to them. This is money to them. Obviously, that was already going down now the first way. That kind of is our hint of what's going to happen overall. So I'm kind of looking on that drop, and that's why I'm looking for gold to drop. And also with dollar, you guys can see that dollar's also supposed to be seeing upwards move, right? But in order for us to really truthfully say that we are going to take the highs, we gotta first take the highs, and then we gotta start heading up from there, right? Also, we do have a gap. You guys can even look at that as another confluence. So I just gotta make a call. I ain't in all that chatting, not at all. Yeah, put that on the squad. We been not yet going hard. We on deck, please don't make them. Try your luck, test me in again, we let it rain. Please don't start us up. Got that black and white, that yin and yang. Mr. Officer, please don't search us, we don't got a thing. Tell her park it up, then that ass be poking out. Them jeans up and sparking up. Like the fireworks, I keep the flame. Heard you barking up. It's the wrong tree, I got the strings. Yeah, I'm charging up. They can't keep up, got them looking drained. Now they walking up, trying to put the face. Yes, sir. Appreciate it. Let's do it. Let's do it. Once again, guys, if you're trading obviously with me, that's cool. You know, disclaimer, not a financial advisor. I'm not here to tell you what to invest and what to trade, but I know a lot of you guys do take trades that I take at the same time. Just take it at your own risk. But I do highly suggest you guys sign up with Ospreyfx, because if you guys are trading with me, it would make sense that you actually use the same broker I'm using, so you know what leverage I'm using. I'm using 1 to 500. So by the way, guys, I'm gonna be honest with you. If you are trading with me, your account should be somewhat around where my account is at. Oh, yo, Jay, I appreciate the $44. Thank you for that. Do you do copy trading? Tell the details. I do not do copy trading. Unfortunately, no, just because it's be a lot of emotionals that I'll be handling. I already got to deal with my own. On top of that, I can't deal with everybody else's. Only time I will do copy trade, like literally, you know, have you guys copy every trade I do, is if you guys didn't even know I'm doing it. Because I don't want you guys messaging me on Discord, messaging me on Instagram, hit me on my email, asking me about, yo, what's going on with this. Like, let's say this. Let's say I was doing copy trading and we had a bad day, and I'm pretty sure I would have somebody message me and be like, yo, E, I seen we had a bad day, what's going on? Or, yo, E, how's today looking? Or, I ain't got time for that. Like I said, you guys, trading is all mental, and I understand that, and I just can't deal with that. So if I was to do any copy trading, y'all would never know. I would literally create a whole brand and whole system that has nothing to do with me, just because I know in the end of the day, I don't want y'all messaging me 24/7 about your account. Believe me, I can already tell how y'all handle y'all emotions just off of the way y'all be hitting me up already, and I'm not dealing with that. Not at all. That is a lot of mental work, and I do not have time for that. Literally, if I was to do that, it would have to be a price that y'all have to pay what I know nobody would pay, honestly, because it's like mental right there. Nah, I'm talking about tens of thousands of dollars a month. I'm not dealing with that. I'm just not. It's too much mental. So that's why I'm not doing it. But that being said, what I was basically getting at is, if you guys stick to our live streams, and if you are also tapping our VIP, and if you're using the broker I'm using, Ospreyfx, you should be anywhere close to where I'm at, right? Which really is profitable. But you should be to where I'm at, ideally, right? And if you're using different broker, obviously I can't control your leverage. I can't control what the spreads are there. I can't tell you to get out of trade, because I'll be like, guys, I just got out of oil at 74.59. Put for whatever reason 74.59 is roughly at your entry, and I'm just now getting out, but you're still in the trade because you haven't made profit. So that's why I suggest everybody to go ahead and tap in. Tap in. I suggest everybody to tap in Ospreyfx. Also, if you look right up there, the Ospreyfx was able to get something going with Ospreyfx. You do get a sign-on bonus, 20% sign-on bonus. What that means is it's not credited into your account. It's basically where you trade. So let's say you put in $10,000 in your Ospreyfx account. They will give you 20% of that, which is $2,000, right? About $2,000 you will be able to withdraw. But the catch is you have to constantly trade with Ospreyfx. Don't just think you can go in there and get 20% and instantly withdraw it out. You have to trade with Ospreyfx and you'll be good to go. So yeah, that being said, guys, that's pretty much really where we're at right now on this account. Like I said, we're gonna get it there. I ain't said if, I ain't said nothing else. I ain't say I think we are going to get this $2,700 account to this 50K. I'm so confident in it. After I did that $4,000 challenge, I'm so confident. I'm so confident in this right here. As long as I stick to it, we good. All right. What's dollar doing? This is the most ugliest consolidation ever. I hate that. Let's see what Go wants to do. If it wants to actually show sellers are in now. Might not even show that yet. What's your advice when you keep losing money with trading? It could be a lot to that, man. It could be a lot to that. Honestly, it could be a lot to that. It could be a lot to that. Hold on, guys. Give me 1 second. All right. Okay. So I'm not in gold right now. Let's see. Comatology. I trade crypto, but do you still hear me on a lot? Oh, I appreciate that. Thank you for the $2. I appreciate that. I used to trade crypto as well. For sure. Are you selling position right now? Nope. Best advice you got a. Jeez, what's up with the exclamation mark? Best advice you ever gotten that helped you out seeing the market better? Best advice I ever got, or trying to think. Honestly, man, I'm gonna be real with you. It's just me understanding the basics. Honestly, it's just understanding the basics. I truthfully feel like you gotta learn how to handle the basics. I've been at it for 5 years now, so dollar's still dropping, which means that gold is still strong. It's actually holding pretty decent right now, which I'm surprised. Man, if and when we can go up with dollar, it's over with. That's all I gotta say. Euro is doing good. I should have gotten in euro. I always like trading euro yen more than trading GJ. It's running a little bit more smoother than just one. I appreciate that. Yes, guys, go ahead and show some light. Dollar keeps going up. Oil looks like it's ready for a whack-off play. You said if dollar keeps going up, oil looks like it's ready for a whack-off play. You said you think I'm into something. I ain't really see no whack-off going on right now. I'm being on a higher scale. I can see it. You said what is whack off? It's not really spelled like that, but that's how you spell it. If I even spelled it right. Richard invented and discovered the way of looking at market, which is where supply demand really comes from. All right. Competent man, all of that stuff is based off whack off. And yeah. Golly, man, this one is doing way better. One is moving way better than GJ. You said it's staticky? Alright, we should be good now. I do see a reversal possibly coming with what's this? Oil. And that's just because of the session, right? That's just because of the session. That's all it is, the session. GJ will be suffering from the British rate hikes news today. Yeah, that's what's going on. Do I trade US 30? No, I don't. Neil, what's going on? You in anything right now? Did you take any oil trade? We gotta get you back on in the streams, brother. Does Nasdaq have a correlation pair? I mean, you can look at a lot of tech stocks, or like VTI is also a decent one. Okay, you said you ain't really been on it. You said you try to short gold. Damn, you should have waited. I would have waited. Oh, I mean, that's what we're doing now. But damn, because you see dollar still dropping aggressively. That's why you gotta wait. We see we respecting a different POI level, which could be any of these levels here too. This is why I say patience is everything, because you never know. How much you recommend to start trading indices? Depends on your what is it? Depends on your leverage. So like, if you're using Ospreyfx, for instance, you know, it's a broker I'm using, I would say you need gotta put at least bare minimum 1,000 in there, just to be riding and trading with it. They also got mini lots too, guys. They got mini lots, so honestly, you can even trade with $500. They got mini lots too, so you sign up with Osprey. Okay, so yeah, I highly recommend you put in a couple thousand if you could. If not, I mean, obviously put what you could, but you could trade mini lots though. You said oil's going to the daily POI. Doubt it will reach today, but tomorrow for sure. That's what I'm saying. They're like, I feel like oil still got some upwards move. All right, guys. Gold, by the way, is invalid for now until something change. But oil, I mean, yeah, I do see it going up. Some of these levels up here. Yeah, I haven't been trading oil either, man. I don't know. I just been missing out on stuff. Haven't really been seeing setups that I really like, that I really want to trade. It's been decent for me. What's the safest trade to jump on? There's no such thing as a safe trade. They all risky. No lie. Gold is about to fly. It's already flying. Sheesh. Oil is taking off again. I love it, man. What's tomorrow? Jeez, what's it tomorrow, y'all? I did not know today was Thursday. I'm thinking what's today's Wednesday. Jeez. I don't know what's going on, y'all. I'm all over the place right now. I need everybody to do me a huge favor. If you guys are new to my channel, I need everybody to go ahead and hit the subscribe button. I need everybody here to go ahead and tap in and hit the subscribe button. And also make sure you hit the like button too. If you're new to my channel, hit the subscribe button. And make sure you hit the like button. Let's get these likes up. I see we got a lot of you guys that's tapped in, but we don't have a lot of likes. And I feel like we need the likes. That keeps me motivated to really go forth and go crazy. Give you guys more educational gems and all that fire stuff. But without the likes, especially if all y'all asking me to check US30, check gold, check Euro USD, check Alt USD. Why would I do that even if we ain't got the likes up? So let's go ahead and get the likes up. Let's show a little appreciation. And we're going to continue to do what we do as we do what we do. In our community, we're doing pretty good. About 39 wins since I've recorded these. 13 L's, 9 break evens. So, yeah. All right, cool. How much time do you spend on the markets during the day? Like a couple hours. I seen somebody ask, new question, but with oil charts, do you like to trade on TV for crypto? Different exchange has different charts. I use my computer when I trade. And Different exchanges have different charts. Different exchanges, they use different liquidity providers. So it's going to show like different pricing. I seen somebody first time watching, just been able to live, like-minded people. How often do I go live? Every day. Sometimes I might not go. I go every day. I'm gonna just say every day except for Fridays. Oh, you mean on TradingView? What chart do I use for oil? Oh, I don't know. I think it's just, here you go, TVC. Yeah, I use TVC. Look at that. We went up. Now we're going down. That's because we're doing up. Nothing but up and down. Not Euro USD. Oil. Thanks for the engagement. Thank you for, contributing. I appreciate that. Hey, it's just the playlist I got going on. Have I returned $20 into 200? Yeah, I mean, if I did a 4,000 into 50K, I know I can do $5 into $500 or 500 into 5K. If I'm already doing 2,700 into 9K. By the way, guys, I can show you my FX book so you actually can see the actual numbers. Hold on. Numbers never lie, right? I want to show you guys my FX books real fast, and I want to show you something. Anybody can flip an account. That's the easy part. The hard part is taking the money out the account. Well, let me not say anybody, but the moment you guys can flip an account, the hard part would be, how can I put it? The hard part would be you literally trying to take the money out the account and so forth. But I want to show you guys a couple of accounts here to show you some actual facts of anybody can flip an account. But yeah, let me see. Which one can I show you that's really good? And I went completely left. Here's one example. So this account was not too long ago. Just show you guys what happens when you're not consistent. I never had this back in this time. It was not long ago at all. But I want you guys to see. I was able to turn this nice account. It was deposit 600. We got it all the way up at its highest to 3,000, and then from there just went completely left. Let me show you guys another one. This was a good one too. Here you guys see back in 2021, we did $700 into this account. Went really good. We got it up to about 642% as far as growth. And then from that, it just went left. That's what I mean by not sticking with the plan. You know what I'm saying? That's what happens when you're just not sticking with the plan. So, yeah, that just goes to show if you guys really create the system and stick with the system and learn how to understand momentum, you're good. Well, he is playing some Christmas music right now, though. It's pretty smooth, too. Let's play something else, though. There's a lot of Christmas songs in here. Why is that? Yo, sir, that's crazy. I ain't even gonna lie. I'm not even in no Christmas spirit right now. I'm in a get money spirit right now. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. They said right, true. My like is in. I tried with the $15 0.0 and then tossed me after, losing $2 in a trade. did $25 to 1K. It's very much possible. Yep. The hard part is taking the money out. That's one. And the other part is doing it again. That's another. Like, I feel like a lot of us did account flips, which is great. But if you're not consistent, what's the whole point? You're a one-hit wonder. That's what I call one-hit wonders. I was definitely one of them multiple times. You would flip an account one time, and then after that, you ain't doing no more flipping accounts until 3 months after. You flip one account, maybe take out the same money put in, but you're still not profitable. If you could do one account, do it again. If you can do another one, do it again, and then you know that you got it. Oh my God. Okay, so what confluences make your bias on oil is heading up on the lowest 5 hour? That's a lot to that. I mean, confluences I use is structure, price action. Those are like my top two. Literally. So, you know, yeah. Can I flip it? I'd rather stay on the safe side and trade $1,000. Yeah. Don't try to flip an account. Like, don't try to. I feel like when people say I'm gonna flip this account, they're instantly like, oh, you know, I'm gonna over risk my account. I'm gonna try to flip it in a day. Like, yeah, you over risking to mess out your account. Better hope the market is in your favor. Better hope you get no pullback. Otherwise, it's over with for you. Yeah, I feel like oil is gonna be in consolidation now. Hey, yo, what time sessions or sessions do you guys like trading the most? New York, London, or Asian session, or any other session? What is your favorite session? You said New York, GJ, yeah, London, New York, London, Asia. What session is that? New York right now, but if you get the new job, it will be London. Oh, but if you get the new job, nice, okay. I think London might be it. I actually want to put a poll up to see where we at. I think London might be it. Let's see. Is it more profitable than options and stock market? They all can be the same, man. Option trading could be as profitable. The stock market, like trading stocks, I don't know about that. I like London and New York, but I obviously been trading more New York, you know, just due to my schedule now. And I like it. It took me a while to get accustomed to it, but I got accustomed to it, and now it's game over now. Now I created my whole system off New York session. I see y'all really hyped for gold, man. Goodness gracious. If gold is going up right now, it's going up. I'm not even gonna sell it. There's no sell for sure right now. That's just really what it is. Yeah, guys, I don't even think we're gonna hit GJ by today's session. Seeing how we moving, we might have to hold this one out a little longer. I'm not used to holding trades out for a long period of time, which I have been doing this whole entire week. I've been holding trades out longer than usual for this entire week. It's been, at least what I've been trading, guys, it's just been nothing but consolidation. It's only been slow. Yeah, it's only been slow because of news yesterday, which happens. What do you think about G? Oh, I thought you said oil. GU, I'm not even interested in GU. It's not in my category right now. Don't want to branch out something that I'm not in. My favorite pair is oil. Or commodity. It's oil. I'm not a big fan of Forex pairs anymore. Like, only one I really tap into now is GJ. That's about it. But other than that, nah. So, but those long hold trades, at least it hits target. Yeah, true. That'd be messed up. You waited. That'd be messed up. You waited 6 hours for it to just hit stop loss. I'd be hating that. Yo, what's going on, Sway? How you doing? Yeah, I trade NASDAQ too. Yeah, guys, I don't see nothing going on right now with oil. So what's my best advice for someone trading a funded account? Stick to your plan. Don't over risk. Have a risk management system. And don't just sit here and say, oh, I'm only going to risk this. Actually know what you're risking. So guys, I want to give you guys my for those that didn't know, I do have a trading system that you guys can get for absolutely free, of course. I'm going to see if I can find it. So I need everybody here to do me one huge favor. Check the chat. I need everybody to go ahead and sign in to, or go ahead and put in your info to go ahead and get that trading plan that I have. It's not ideally this one in particular, but it definitely helps you out for sure. Now, I need everybody also here to do me another favor. I need all you guys to subscribe to this YouTube channel because I'm going to be doing a lot of really good psychology videos. I actually wanted to start a series on psychology, right? I'm gonna do a whole entire series on psychology and talk about the mental mindset, how to handle that, and so forth. But in order for me to do that, I need to make sure you guys are tuned in by obviously liking up the video, showing appreciation in that, making sure you guys subscribe to the YouTube channel so you don't miss out on anything that we do. Right now, for those that's tapping into my streams, we're growing a $4,000 we're growing a $2,700 account. This is my journal. I am journaling everything down because I haven't did that in my previous challenge, and I want to journal everything down and know where I'm at. We started this month, the 2nd. So far, we're doing good. Just holding things out to see where we're at by the end of this month, going into next month in April, and growing it from there. I'm not doing this in a month or two. I'm not looking to grow it in this long period of time. I just want to be able to get it going and just be consistent. That's all I'm looking for, right? So I don't know, man. I could maybe one day I'll get this out to you guys for free. But in order for me to do that, we gotta be tapped in with the likes. We gotta make sure you guys are subscribed. But other than that, this is my calendar here. It shows my trading results as far as where I'm at this week or this month, or the days. And then also going into more like details, I can literally see everything about my strategy, everything about my system, right? You guys see like biggest losses. It will tell me overall trades I took, which was a lot. Overall, we took about 185 trades. You guys see that. Looking here, you can kind of understand what pair made me the most, what pair made me the least. GJ is the one apparently that made me the most bucks. You guys can kind of get an understanding of what my top pairs are, which apparently is telling me NASDAQ. I had the best trades, and it just gives me overall information that I need to master my skills and most importantly master my mental, right? If you guys look, this shows me here will show me my overall win rate, but then once I start selecting my strategies, it will kind of tell me exactly what strategy actually made me the most as far as just like my win rate and all that fun stuff. So once again, guys, I need all you guys to tap into my YouTube channel. Also here, this is where I record all my results. You guys will see kind of what I made overall in some trades, 6%, 4%. I lost 6%, 10%, 1%, 14%, 16%. Which I went over my rules for these two trades, and I actually journaled this too. I journaled these two trades. This was something I shouldn't have done. I had to journal that, and then also in my journal section, I have notes as far as some that I don't have because I'm just like, what, I did good, but some I do have because it's like I gotta understand what my mistake was so I don't do it again. So I write that down so I can journal all of that stuff down so I know exactly, I'm not doing that again. I can't do that again. I got to make sure I stick to my plan, my system. So that being said, yes, guys, I need everybody here to do me one huge favor. Make sure you like and subscribe. Like and subscribe. Oh, you use FTMO trading journal? Dope. I didn't know they had a trading journal. Is this new? I see GJ or Yen is just going right back up. Yeah, as I said, we definitely dropping back again. We definitely playing with emotions. All within here for sure. Oh, you said you caught a nice little sell on NASDAQ. Nice, nice. Yo, dollar's going up. Yeah. Okay, we got a new high that we gotta pay attention to, which is this one right here. A little small little high. That can change a lot. Jeez, what is going on with GJ right now? I mean, not GJ, but yeah. All right, we just took the highs out. Jeez, this one's gonna be a little risky. Guys, did we have any big news today besides yesterday? It was all just jeez, we had a lot of news on British pound. Tomorrow we do have some news. We got a lot going on with Euro, British pound, and USD for sure. We got news everywhere tomorrow. Yup. Tomorrow we got PMI. Man, I don't know what it was, but I just remember years ago there was news that never really had a big effect. Now they do. I can't remember what it was, but I remember back in the day, non-farmers payrolls in my eyes was like the biggest news ever. Now it's just like when non-farmer payroll hit, it doesn't really do that much like what it used to do, at least from what I remember. So it's crazy, man. I want to make sure everybody here is also tapped in our VIP. I mean, not in our VIP, but also in our community. I'm going to just post this real fast. Yeah, it does. The fast, yeah, that I don't. That's what I'm saying. I don't remember back in the day if that did or not. I'm pretty sure it did. I just never paid attention to it or cared to pay attention to it. So it's kind of like, yeah. All right, so seeing that dollar is pulling back. Oh, I mean, it's going wait. It's taking off right now. I don't know. I'm gonna have to wait on gold. I'm gonna have to truly wait on gold. Just knowing the time it is right now, I just feel like at this time it's just gonna be going down, but I don't like it. It was on a 1 hour chart. Oh yeah, coffee and profits. Yeah, I feel you. I feel you. Man, everything is just today. By the way, guys, I still do see gold dropping. By the way, just because we took this high don't necessarily mean we can go up. I do see it dropping too. What's going on, brother? Why does this keep telling me I get you? Let me go ahead and take the notifications off. Notifications and this. Yo, Neil, what you got going on over there? You said you made over. Nice. I like that. Yeah, see, this is why I'm waiting on gold. That's why I'm not taking gold right now. I ain't liking it. Oh my gosh, GJ right now looks like a mess. Nothing but nonsense. Nothing but nonsense. It's crazy. Nice, brother. Nice. I like to hear that. Yeah, I'm still running it until it runs to my stop loss. That's my rule. Like I said, that's my rule. That's why I don't watch trades, because everybody that watch the trade will be entering, getting on, second guessing. And y'all want to know why y'all would never see your account go anywhere but nothing but down. today is really, yeah, it consolidated. Today is nothing going on today. Really not going on at all today. Looks like we're gonna end this one early today, guys. A little chill today, nothing happening, but just the trade that we in. I'm gonna end this one early today. Tomorrow, everybody VIP, I'll see y'all tomorrow. Everybody else, I'm gonna see you guys on Monday. And we'll just see what happens, you know, go from there. If this trade goes in our favor, cool, I'll obviously say something. If not, I'll obviously say something. But other than that, guys, I'll see everybody either tomorrow or Monday. Have a great week. Take care. See you guys all tomorrow and Monday. Peace.